How do pop-up matcha drink stands build a strong following before launching? They build interest early by testing their drinks, sharing the story behind the brand, collecting contact information, and creating small moments that make people want to return. Before opening, a stand can offer tiny tasting sessions at markets, gyms, offices, or community events, and ask visitors which flavors they would actually buy. Sharing short videos of whisking matcha, testing recipes, choosing cups, and preparing the stand helps people feel involved before the launch. Matcha has a special preparation method, and showing the whisking process can make the drink feel more interesting and trustworthy. A useful detail is that matcha flavor becomes smoother when the powder is sifted first and mixed with a small amount of warm water before more liquid is added. The stand should invite people to join a simple text or email list by offering an early tasting, a launch discount, or the chance to vote on the first menu. Each post should ask for an action, such as choosing between strawberry and mango or tagging a friend who enjoys tea. The owners can also partner with nearby businesses and give those partners a small batch of invitation cards or special codes to share. Before launch day, they should hold a limited preview where guests can try the drinks, give honest feedback, and post their favorite one online. A common mistake is trying to offer too many flavors, which can slow service and make the brand hard to remember. So begin with a small menu and one signature drink. Another mistake is collecting followers without collecting permission-based contact details, because social media posts may not reach everyone, so build an email or text list. Some stands also focus only on pretty pictures and forget consistency, so use the same recipe measurements, cup sizes, and preparation steps at every tasting. Be careful with matcha quality because very bitter powder can make people think they dislike matcha, so test several suppliers and clearly record which one tastes best with milk and water. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.